Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. My name is Paul.
I'm Cinnamon.
And we are focused on the road. And today we're going to be going through the 2019 Grand Design Solitude ST310GK.
Enjoy the walkthrough. Thanks for joining.
Alright, we're going to this one, the Grand Design Solitude. This is the ST310GK. Trying to record this. I like that. Yeah, nice. And the TV goes down so you have more view. I like this, so it's like they need to maybe scoot this over a little bit or one of the other one. Oh yeah.
You guys come over here. Just get down here. Table for four.
Oh.
Really?
Not bad.
We're hoping to get to sit next to
Well, this
I kind of like this, like the big,
You'll want to sit on this side.
big area. It's nice.
well, I fit.
Yeah, convection, I think. I don't know. Nice little space, more cabinet space. Nice refrigerator. It's not bad.
Yeah, see video. Last year.
These are pretty stable right there, right? I mean, you can put a laptop on there probably, and
You gotta order.
yeah. I mean, they're so much similar to everything else we. I don't know if I like the. There's a lot of space up here, but I feel like there should be like shelving and maybe not so much glass, so the things wouldn't bounce around and smash up against the glass. I don't know. And they should be opposite, right? Shouldn't this be the other way?
Oh, yeah.
You would think, like, that's just a little detail that you would think that they would. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of strange.
I got it.
I do like the height in here. It's pretty nice. All the lighting. All right. Pretty standard bathroom. It's nothing to write home about, but big towel, lots of towel room space, I guess. This is, again, I'm 6'2". I mean, not a whole lot of room. And there's not a lot of room to put this up higher, like. That's a little jinky, but it can be tightened, I guess. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Place to sit down and take your little shower or put puppies in here, I guess. That looks a little suspect. So that's like already bent. Yeah. Oh, see, they have a little hidden compartment. So you put your valuables in here. Wash and dry hookup. This is pretty nice, I guess. I feel like it should lock in the open position, but who knows? Not bad. Nice use of space. It's good. Let's go check out the outside real quick. I like the big, large open area. Does have LEDs in the bottom down there. It's kind of nice, especially when you're like dark. I know, it's pretty nice. I like that.